Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website. This is a fantastic way to offer instant customer support or make it easy for visitors to contact you directly. Let's get right into it. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why you might want to add a WhatsApp button to your site. 1. Instant communication. Allow visitors to reach you instantly via WhatsApp. 2. Improved customer service. Provide a convenient channel for customer support. 3. Increased engagement. Make it easier for users to get in touch and ask questions. Now that we know why, let's look at how to add the button. The easiest way to add a WhatsApp button is by using a plugin. We'll use the Click to Chat plugin for this tutorial. Here's how to set it up. 1. Install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Click to Chat and click Install Now. Then activate the plugin. 2. Configure the plugin. Go to Click to Chat settings in your dashboard. Enter your WhatsApp phone number in the format required. For example, +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Customize the button appearance, position, and text to match your site style. 3. Save changes. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. The WhatsApp button should now appear on your site. Once you've added your WhatsApp button, be sure to test it to ensure it works correctly. Click the button to confirm it opens WhatsApp and starts a chat with your number. And that's it! You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the TrueHost Academy, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. Got any questions or run into issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Check out other videos in this channel for more ways to enhance your WordPress site. See you soon.